Make sure that you're not sounding like a hypocrite as you're calling your friends or the people that you love higher, because it does hold you to a place of accountability. If you're willing to call people out in those areas, it's also holding yourself accountable in those areas, because you don't really have a good witness if you're calling people out in areas that you haven't even dealt with in your own life. Like, you got a whole log in your eye as you're micromanaging somebody's speck in theirs. Yeah, so we're not going to judge one another though. I think the thing that replaces judgment is compassion. Empathy, sympathy replaces judgment. Being able to put yourself in that person's shoes is the opposite of judgment. I think judgment comes from a position of like standing over here from the outside, like you got your arms crossed and you're kind of like this at them, versus a place of not judging them is actually saying, I really actually want to stand in your shoes and understand why you would do this thing, or understand what your thought process was, or just like being quicker to understand and stand in for that person and have compassion. Not in excusing it, not saying whatever it is right, but I think that's the killer of judgment, is being like, I actually think I'm going to be compassionate. I'm going to stand in their shoes and try to understand.